Hey everyone! Have you ever stared at your bank account after a bill or unexpected expense and wondered, how am I going to make it until payday? Let's face it, life happens. Cars break down, surprise birthdays pop up, and sometimes, that delicious new pair of shoes just can't be ignored. But what if there was a way to manage your cash flow a little better, spread out payments, and avoid that sinking feeling of a pre-paycheck pinch? Well, that's where services like beforepay come in. They offer a solution for those times when you need a little extra breathing room between paydays. But before you jump in and start cashing out, as beforepay calls it, there are a few things to consider. Today's video dives deep into one of those key questions: what's the maximum limit you can borrow with beforepay? Cash out with confidence, understanding beforepay's limits. Beforepay doesn't function exactly like a traditional loan. Instead, it allows you to access a portion of your already earned income before your official payday. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected costs, but it's crucial to understand the limits beforepay sets in place. Here's the exciting news: beforepay boasts a maximum cash out limit of a whopping $2,000. That could definitely help cover a major expense or smooth out a rough financial month. However, there's a catch, and it's an important one. Not everyone qualifies for the big bucks. That shiny $2,000 limit isn't automatically available to everyone. beforepay analyzes several factors to determine your individual cash out limit. This includes your income. The more you earn, the higher your potential limit. Pay schedule. beforepay considers how often you get paid, weekly, bi-weekly, etc., to assess your repayment ability. Spending habits. beforepay takes a peek at your past spending patterns to get a sense of your financial responsibility. Debt. Existing debt obligations can affect your limit, as beforepay wants to ensure you can manage repayments. Repayment history. Building a good track record of on-time beforepay repayments is the golden ticket to increasing your cash-out limit over time. So, for new beforepay users, the initial cash-out limit will likely be somewhere between $50 and $1,000. But don't be discouraged. By responsibly using beforepay and making your repayments on time, you'll demonstrate your financial trustworthiness and pave the way for a higher limit in the future. beforepay, a tool, not a crutch. While beforepay can be a handy service, it's important to remember it's a tool, not a crutch. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Avoid impulse borrowing. Before hitting that cash out button, be honest with yourself. Do you truly need this extra money, or is it tempting you towards an unnecessary purchase? Stick to your budget. beforepay shouldn't disrupt your overall budget. Make sure you can comfortably repay the borrowed amount without sacrificing other financial obligations. Beware of late fees. Missing a beforepay repayment can lead to fees and could even impact your future cash out limit. The bottom line on beforepay limits. beforepay offers a maximum cash out limit of $2,000, but reaching that number depends on your unique financial situation and responsible use of the service. Remember, beforepay is meant to be a helpful tool, not a replacement for sound financial planning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.